In this question, they are asking which of the following is a principle of good AWS cloud architecture design. So the thing is, it's a we can say this question can help you to understand for your solution architect level exam as well. But it's a basic question, so we can consider this question into our cloud practitioner. So the option we are having first is implement single point of failure. I think this is not correct because we always try to avoid single point of failure whenever we design or plan anything, so this is not correct. Implement loose coupling. See, loose coupling is something microservices, or right now we are using app modernization where we are using the microservices. What exactly it is here, the application is divided, or we can say separated in different components, and these components are attached with loosely, these are loosely coupled. Okay, so what is the advantage of this one? If you see nowadays, any application you are using, either it is Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video, Hotstar, whatever you are using right now, these all the applications running based on microservices. So the thing is here, the application where the data is there, the front end, back end, and the other middleware component, these are loosely coupled. Whenever there is maintenance, they just take care of that particular component, and also it will be maintained in that way or upgraded in that way that still it will not give you the downtime for that one. So this is the advantage. So this is the correct choice for this one. Monolithic design is like traditional design we are having, where we are having all the components tightly coupled. Means whenever there is a downtime or the maintenance for any of the component, we need to shut down whole application and we need to prepare, make it ready fully, then only we can make it live. So like our banking systems, most of the time we can see that they go for the maintenance, right? So they can afford that, and so they do it non-working hours, that maintenance. So that type of system which is traditionally, which is so that is known as monolithic design. So this is not correct here. Last option we are having implement vertical scaling. As you know, we are having two types of scaling. Vertical scaling comes under like on a single machine you are increasing the resources, like if you're talking about the CPU, if you are having two CPU, you are increasing or decreasing, it's called a vertical scaling. Next we are having horizontal scaling, where we are putting another instance, same type of instance all together, either we increase it or decrease. So we always prefer to go with the horizontal scaling. The reason, if we here we are having single point of failure, if something happened wrong with this machine, either it is 16 GB rom or 100 GB of ram, it doesn't matter, it will go down. When we are having two machines, if one goes down, second will always be up, right? So that's why it's not the good architecture, we can say. So that's why this is also wrong. So we will go with the implement loose coupling here. Let's see the next question now.